Hey, good morning or good day, whatever time this video is being watched. My name's Draime. I just want to give a little biography of myself, just kind of give a story about how I ended up where I am now. So I'm from Selma, Alabama, born and raised down there. Big football player, all-state running back. So the gym has always kind of been in my life as far as sports and physical fitness and being strong. That led me into my career at the Marine Corps. Camp Lejeune, 1999 through June of 2003. I did get to deploy, see a lot of the world. Again, physical fitness, major part of my life then. Got out of the Marine Corps, started a family, and kind of let myself go just a little bit. And it wasn't until kind of later in life, here in the last, I would say, I don't know, 7 or 8 years, that I decided to get back in the gym and start working out. And it was kind of like riding a bicycle, muscle memory for me. About a year ago, I decided I wanted to take this to the next step and become a trainer. Looked into several different programs, got the online course for NASM, and I tried it, just didn't like it. It wasn't any real interaction like we get from the W.I.T.S program. It was just me and myself watching online videos, which is not really that personable to me. I'm not really sure how you can really learn the hands-on portions of what we had to learn to do our assessments. So I know a lot of folks have seen where people want to do this job and book smart, pass the test, but you can't walk in a gym and actually know what the equipment is or how it functions and how you prescribe certain things to certain people depending on their needs. So I let that class go, even though I paid for it. I never followed through with it, and I just felt like I still wanted to do this job. And unfortunately, I had a bicep tear, had to let that heal up, and then I decided to start looking at some other programs, which is how I found W.I.T.S, and I'm glad I did. I love the online aspect of it, actually being able to sit through a class and be one-on-one with an instructor and ask questions, and made it more personable for me. For that's how I learn, is I needed to feel the connection with that and feel like I was talking to a real person. So that's one of my biggest pros, I guess I should say, of this program, is just the one-on-one aspects and getting to know your instructors, getting to know, like I did here in Greensboro, North Carolina, getting to know my instructor here now, going forward in potentially working with him and his staff at his gym. So it just all kind of clicked for me. I was picked up by the YMCA of High Point, North Carolina. I originally applied just to be a wellness coach, just working the gym and meeting people, just waiting on this certification to come through. And as soon as it did, I immediately started personal training. And since started like the last week of November, I'm doing pretty well at the Y. I've already got about 8 new clients. I've been put in front of a good opportunity to become a football coach, which is in the process now of kind of doing the interview process. So I'm going to be doing some strength and training, and hopefully get back into what I was in high school as a running back, to be a running backs coach. So all these things that I've learned have really just come into play here, and the doors are opening. And again, I owe that to this program, everyone who was behind helping me along the way, and just really, I've been pushed, and I was told, it's going to take some time. For me, I guess I've been a little bit lucky in the fact that it's really taken off quicker than I thought it would. So I'm appreciative, and I'm thankful to everyone that was involved in getting me here. And I would highly recommend to anybody that I see that was wanting to do this program, and I will continue to promote it. And to everyone else out there that's in it, just getting started in it, best advice I have is to keep talking to people and meeting people and taking opportunities that you have and making the best of them, and really just becoming a master of this trade. There's so much to learn. That's what I really like about it, that I don't think this can ever become stagnant. As long as we're willing to learn and continue to pick up new things and try new things, and there's always going to be something fun and new and creative we can do with our clients. So that's my advice to everyone getting started. Keep talking, keep pushing, set those goals and don't stop until you achieve them. Hope this is help somebody, seeing somebody like myself just start out of the gate and take off with it. And I wish everyone the best of luck, and maybe I'll see some of you around in the future in this industry. Hope everybody had a great holiday, and Happy New Year's, everyone.